Hi! Today, we'll be diving into Google Sheets to show you how to utilize the sum function to simplify your calculations. So let's get started. Starting from our desktop first, we open our web browser, go into the browser's search bar and type in sheet.new. This quickly opens a brand new Google spreadsheet. Now that our new spreadsheet is here, let's make some random entries in the A column, giving us some data to work with. First, we will add some of the random numbers. We will use cell G1 away from column A, then press equals, and select the cells with the numbers you want to add. Pressing enter will conjure the sum of these figures. But if, let's say, you want to sum all numbers in the column, Google provides a simple function. By typing equals sum and selecting the appropriate formula, you can highlight all the numbers you want to add. Pressing enter will get us to our result. Any numbers outside this selection will not be added, but changing A1, a 6 to A1A in the formula will include any new numbers added to the column. Just watch how this makes your life simpler. Now when we add numbers to column A, the sum is updated in the formula. Now let's clear the sheet and demonstrate a row example. If we add several numbers into row 4, we can just as easily use the sum formula again by typing =sum, A44, in cell G1. This will automatically include any new numbers added to row 4 in our sum. And that concludes our Google Sheets beginner's guide on how to use the sum function. I hope this tutorial helps you with your Google Sheets needs. Remember, there's a whole world of Google Sheets functions out there that can simplify your work, and we'll keep exploring them together. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and ring the notification bell to stay updated on more awesome tech tutorials. Before we wrap up, we want to let you know that Tekswipe also provides remote IT support services at affordable rates. For more information, visit our website at tekswipe.com.au/IT or email us at it@tekswipe.com.au, and we'll be happy to answer your inquiries.